with Hugh Rimmond.
Good evening. A Western Sydney hospital has had to divert ambulances and transfer patients after a man with COVID-19 walked into the emergency room. Staff and patients at Mount Druitt Hospital are now being tested. Worryingly, the source of that infection is tonight a mystery, and it is just one of 5 cases we learnt about today. Alerts have now been issued for more venues across Sydney, including a daycare centre.
At Mount Druitt Hospital overnight, usual procedures were turned on their head, with patients wheeled out of emergency, into ambulances and driven away. The reason? A man in his 40s who'd turned up seeking treatment but then tested positive for COVID-19.
As a precaution, we are ensuring that all staff or patients that may have had inadvertent contact are assessed.
After a deep clean this morning, the ED is now back open.
I will have to follow up whether he was fully wearing a mask at all times.
And his wife has tested positive too, but it's unclear where they were infected.
So there's no direct link yet.
And Sydney's Barella cluster has grown again too. Yesterday, a couple in their 30s who'd been at a household gathering, which a confirmed case forgot to mention to contact tracers. Now they've spread it to another family, 2 adults and a child, while mingling at a second household gathering 2 days later.
And we are confident that we've worked through this chain of transmission.
But it has sparked new alerts for venues and transport routes around Hurlston Park, where today the Wonder Child Daycare Centre had to close, with staff, children and some parents there last week asked to test, isolate and await instructions.
They're on lockdown temporarily at the moment. They are following all instructions from the New South Wales Department of Health.
And there was criticism today for this man, caught on camera at Kellyville Ridge McDonald's, going berserk when asked to sign in with a QR code.
It's absolutely appalling.
The Health Minister declaring the customer
needs to have the full force of the law thrown at them. I'm confident the police will do that.
Still no word on the fate of this hotel quarantine security guard who was pictured without a mask over the weekend.
Those protocols have been upgraded overnight.
There will be mask wearing by all security guards.
With Australia's vaccine rollout to begin next month, there is new debate over who should get access to the jab first. Doctors, nurses and those in aged care will be given priority, but retail workers say, what about them?
Lockdowns and hotspot areas, the supermarkets always continue to operate. Retail and retail warehouse workers are essential.
As the Premier in the West takes a swipe at the virus response in the East.
To look outside of New South Wales at what other states and territories are doing in order to crush and kill the virus.
There is no way of eliminating this virus so long as it exists around the world.
Daniel Sutton for 10 News First.